here's 4 pieces of top gem quality material from Lightning Ridge. It's blood reds, multicolours. I'll zoom in, the rules in millimetres. Okay, I've zoomed in. I'll show you this piece first. I guess it's probably caught your eye. See the colour coming through here. Snipped on the end there. Try to sort of show it with the bar. Looks like the bar's going top to bottom of the screen. Turn it so 90 degrees just to give you a different perspective on it. I think it warrants showing a bit longer on these sort of pieces because they're not cheap. It's quite a bit of investment for a lot of people. Still got a bit of clay on the top. Might be a little bit wavy inside, it's hard to tell. Of a smaller piece. This looks like it's really is for carving. It's been chipped there, it's black inside. Bottom. Looks like, sorry, bar going across that way there perhaps. Again, black centre. Stones on the top there. This big piece. Quite pockety. Obviously, colour up here. It all came out of the same parcel, so characteristics may be the same inside, but something like this, you're buying it with a bit of a gamble. But some people say they want that, so here's that sort of come up for you to be able to get. Probably a little stone under here. And of course, how far that clay goes, whether it goes through, don't know. Possibly. That's the biggest piece, but maybe it's a gamble. Whether there's colour inside more, then you'll be laughing. And if it doesn't go anywhere much, you'll be crying. But that's the name of the game. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.